Kurboni Çikil, or Kurboni Ali Mardon. Kurboni Kizil was once the driver of Yermakmad Gulov, the former Minister of Food Industry of Tajikistan and the father of Takhmina's first husband. The daughter of this first husband, Takhmina, was married to Kurboni Kizil, who has been the director of the Kujand airport for several years. Takhmina's daughter is going to Dubai with her mother. There they will be met by this Kurboni Ali Mardana with her child. But they go down and do not look at them and leave without paying attention and leave with their mother. Zarifbek's brother, Takhmina's second husband. Amirbek is named after Sharifbek's second wife. The road of the lower Korvan from the Korvan gate on the other side of the road and ruined everything. Corruption was checked. Several people were fired because they revealed the truth. I mean the path from the gate from the Kurgan side to Karvan. At the same time, he did not receive $1 million. He took a tender for the construction of a road and stole $1 million from it. This is Takhmina's son-in-law and Sharifbek's second wife. He offered the corrupt officials a bribe of $350,000. However, corruption is caused by bribery. But what happened in the end? All the corrupt officials were fired. However, Amirbek, Takhmina's Hovari, is having an affair. He is the head of Rosos LLC. It is not for nothing that they say that the best job in Tajikistan is to be Emomali Rakhmonov's son-in-law, whether it is a formal or informal groom. One friend jokingly said that, "Go get a surgery. Thanks to plastic surgery, it is quick to reach them. Then you will have fun." We did not do this. I would then be the chairman of Kulyab. A couple of sentences about Takhmina Cleopatra's sisters, Zarina Rakhmonova and Parvina Rakhmonova. And I mean, Zarina Rakhmonova is the daughter of Emomali Rakhmonov, the deputy of her uncle Hassan Asadulozoda in Orion Bank, and the daughter-in-law of Beg Sabur. Now Zarina is the daughter-in-law of Beg Sabur. They are practically separated. Zarina is married to Shahram Abubakar, a Tajik pop singer. Shahram was going to raise him, but he could not see it. The whole city knew about their affair, but Emomali Rakhmonov does not agree with this. However, like Takhmina, Zarina does not injure herself with her father's weapon, surrenders to fate and marries Beg Sabur's son. But they do not get along. This boy Beg Sabur Rams now lives separately, and Zarina was separated. An informed person who has relations with them said, "Believe me, brother, a dog does not appreciate his wife's bed in front of this house."